basic electrical and electronics engineering subject common to CSE, EEE, PHE. First BTech second semester regular examination, set number 1. What is the meant by unilateral and bilateral circuit? What is the principle of vary speed, below rated speed in a DC motor? List and give applications different types of DC machines. What is the idle power? What is alternator? What is the operating point of transistor amplifier? What is the OR gate? What is consistency equation? Write the input characteristics of NPN transistor. What is earthing? ఇక్కడ మన 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందండి. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ V and I in the circuit shown in figure. Prove that series combination of resistance is equivalent to the resistance in the DC. Next ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్, calculate the effective resistance between the point A and B circuit shown in figure. Derive the formula used. Next ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్, explain the detail about Kirchhoff current and voltage law. Next question, a DC generator has a armature EMF of 100 V when the useful flux per pole is 20 MWb and the speed is 80 rpm. Calculate the generated EMF with the same rated flux and a speed of 1000 rpm with the flux per pole of 25 small m WB and a speed of 90 rpm. Next question andi, the induced EMF in a DC machine will running at 5 rpm is 180 voltage. Assuming constant magnetic flux per pole, calculate the induced EMF when the machine runs at 600 rpm. Discuss the function of no voltage and overload release in the 3-point starter. In which circuit these devices are connected and why? The wave connected armature of a 2-pole 200 voltage generator has 400 conductors and runs at 300 rpm. Calculate the useful flux per pole. Explain the layout and operator of various wind power generator system. Discuss the about safety precautions to avoid shock. Explain 2-part electrical topic with an example. Explain about personal safety measurement of earthing and its types. Basic electrical engineering ఇవ్వబడినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. Discuss about ideal characteristics of OP AMP. Draw the frequency response curve of OP AMP. Give the current component of PN junction diode and define diode current equation. Draw and explain input output characteristics of CE amplifier. Explain the difference between transition and diffusion capacities of PN diode. Unit 2 questions and derive the efficiency and ripple factor of half wave rectifier. Describe the operation of full bridge rectifier. What is its output current when RPM input voltage is 82 V AC and RL and 26 ohms. Draw the circuit diagram of common emitter amplifier and derive expressions for voltage gain, current gain, input independence and output admittance using approximate model. Explain about block diagram description of DC power supply. Unit 3. Convert the following numbers with the given radix to decimal and then to binary. 4433 5 1199 12 5654 7 1221 3. Design BCD to grave code converter and release using logic gates. చివరి క్వశ్చన్ అండి, డిజైన్ అండ్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ 2-bit కంపారేటర్ యూజింగ్ లాజిక్ గేట్స్. ఫైండ్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ బూలియన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ and reduce them to minimum number of laterals. Thank you.